Guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about matrix addition or array addition, how it will place and how it operation matrix addition is done. Let's see. So here is I given a one example how matrix addition is done for a square matrix. Square matrix means number of rows and number of columns in matrix matrices are same, so this is known as square matrix. So here you can see there are number of rows equal to 2, number of column equal to 2. Same in this matrix, number of rows equal to 2, number of columns equal to 2. Let's understand how addition is takes place. So element wise addition is takes place like first element is concatenate or addition with second first element of second matrix. So 3 plus 4 we will give 7. For same cases 8 plus 0 it will give 8. 4 plus 1 it will give 5. 6 minus 9 it will give minus 3. So let's understand by using of some example how it will works. Np dot array, let's create 2D 5 comma minus 1. Okay, let's create second 7 comma 8 9 comma 0. Now let's addition of a plus b. Simply there is no function to add addition or anything else. We directly use plus operator to addition of matrices. Here you can see like same operation is done. 1 plus 7 equal to 8, 2 plus 8 equal to 10, 5 plus 9 equal to 14, minus 1 plus 0 equal to minus 1. This is the way we can create a matrix addition, or we can do operation of matrix addition. We will see more operation on matrix like multiplication, power operation in next classes. That's all for today. Thank you very much. Keep learning and stay safe.